All right, we are here with Wayne Faria. He is the Body Shop Operations Manager at Don Valley North. So Wayne, what are you looking forward to about seeing at the showcase tonight in CCIF tomorrow?
Quite frankly, I'm interested to see where the industry is going, in particular where technology is going. And as a personal friend of mine, Paul Stella, to see what technology Toyota has.
Awesome. Do you have any predictions for the industry for 2020? For your shop, for the greater scheme of things, anything that you think would be coming to the industry in 2020?
Absolutely. I'm hoping, funny you should ask that more women are coming into our industry this year.
Wow, awesome.
And the reason for that is women are actually better at our trade than men are. Hopefully they'll start realizing that, ladies out there, and catch on to it, because I have some super women that work for us, and hopefully that's the trend for the year coming and the years to come.
Awesome, that's great. So is your shop doing any initiatives in the new year? Anything you'd like to tease?
Yes, we're actually expanding in the new year to come. Yes, we're almost tripling one of our facilities, and we're hoping to go in that facility from about 200 work orders a month to maybe somewhere around 500 work orders a month. So we'll see what happens. Yeah.
That's exciting. Well, awesome. So what's something that you're most excited for in 2020 for the industry?
Most excited right now, I think, is the way paint is going and the curing times of paint, and especially the way the environment's going with paint right now, because if you look at the technology right now, they're cutting down cure times, which means less environment pollution right now.
That's awesome. Yeah. Wow. Thank you so much, Wayne. It was a pleasure talking to you. Have a great time.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.